The Complete Guide to Stock Photography, How It Works and How to Succeed. Introduction. Stock photography has become a popular and lucrative avenue for photographers to monetize their work. It involves creating and selling photos to be used in various media, such as websites, blogs, advertisements, and publications. This guide will provide a comprehensive overview of stock photography, from the basics to advanced strategies for success. What is stock photography? Stock photography refers to the supply of photographs, which are often licensed for specific uses. These photos can cover a wide range of subjects, including nature, people, technology, food, and more. Businesses, marketers, and content creators purchase these images to use in their projects without the need to hire a photographer for a custom shoot. How stock photography works. Creating high-quality photos. Concept and planning. Decide on themes and subjects that are in demand. Research current trends and popular topics. Equipment. Use a good quality camera and lenses. While professional gear is ideal, many stock photos are taken with high-quality smartphones. Composition and lighting. Pay attention to composition, lighting, and focus. Ensure your images are clear, well-lit, and visually appealing. Editing. Use photo editing software to enhance your images. This includes adjusting exposure, color correction, and removing any imperfections. Uploading to stock photography sites. Choose platforms. Popular stock photography sites include Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, and Getty Images. Research which platforms align best with your photography style. Account creation. Sign up as a contributor on your chosen platforms. This often involves submitting sample photos for quality assessment. Keywording and metadata. Add relevant keywords and metadata to your photos. This helps potential buyers find your images through search functions. Licensing and earnings. License types. Understand the different types of licenses. The most common are royalty-free and rights-managed. Royalty-free allows unlimited use, while rights-managed is more restrictive and often more expensive. Earnings. Earnings are typically a percentage of the sale price. This can range from a few cents to several dollars per download, depending on the platform and license type. Tips for success in stock photography. Research and adapt to market demand. Stay updated with market trends and create photos that cater to current demands. Seasonal themes, popular events, and trending topics often perform well. Diversify your portfolio. Upload a variety of images covering different subjects and styles. A diverse portfolio attracts a broader audience and increases your chances of making sales. Consistency and volume. Regularly upload new photos to keep your portfolio fresh and relevant. A larger collection increases visibility and the likelihood of sales. Quality over quantity. Ensure all your photos meet high-quality standards. Poor quality images are less likely to be accepted by stock platforms and may not sell well. Optimize keywords. Use accurate and descriptive keywords. Think from a buyer's perspective about what terms they might use to find your image. Promote your work. Use social media and photography forums to promote your stock images. Building a following can drive more traffic to your portfolio. Tools and resources. Photo editing software. Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, GIMP. Stock photography websites. Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, Getty Images, Alamy. Keyword tools. Stock Submitter, MicroStocker, Keyword.io. Learning platforms. YouTube tutorials, online photography courses, photography blogs. Conclusion. Stock photography offers photographers an excellent opportunity to earn passive income and gain exposure. By understanding the market, creating high-quality images, and leveraging the right platforms and tools, you can build a successful stock photography portfolio. Stay dedicated, keep improving your skills, and adapt to the ever-changing demands of the market.